In this video, I will show you exactly what Instagram made with AI means. So for example, when you log into Instagram and you are trying to post something, when you go to the image, so I want to just demonstrate for you to see exactly what I'm saying. So when you click like this, then you proceed. Next. You will normally see something like label as made with AI. What it means is that if this particular image was generated with artificial intelligence, or you use an AI software to generate it, okay, and it is not a picture you use a camera to take, but it's AI generated, you should label it as made with AI so that the Instagram software would know that this is an AI generated image. So when you turn it on and you proceed to share, the label as made with AI will show. That is the meaning. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video.